Forever can never be long enough for me to feel like I've had long enough with you. Forget the world now, we won't let them see. But there's one thing left to do. Now that the weight has lifted, love has surely shifted my way. Marry me today and every day. Marry me if I ever get the nerve to say hello in this cafe. Say you will. Say you will.
Brothers and sisters, when God created us, naglaan na siya ng taong makakasama natin ng panghabang buhay. At yan po yung mga katabi nyo ngayon. And itong soulmate na ito, na naandito ngayon na kasama mo, pagtitibayin at babasbasan sa tinatawag nating kasal. At sa pamamagitan ng kasal na ito, ang commitment na yan would be for a lifetime. Ang kasal ay ang pagtatalaga ng mga babae at lalaki sa isa't isa para sa kaluwalhatian ng Diyos, para sa kanyang paghahari sa mundong ito. Na sana pagkatapos ng kasal na ito, your marriage would be something you would draw strength. Sabi natin kanina, lonely, incomplete yung lalaki at babae because they were separated. But now you have found your better half. Mas malakas ka na.
When all the music dies,
Bride, do you take this man before present here for your lawful husband according to the rite of the Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
To the grooms, do you take the bride here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of her Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Grandma and Grandpa painted a picture of 65 years in one little house. More than a memory, more than saying I do. Kiss you good nights and I love yous.
Pag masaya nga po ang pamilya, di masaya rin tayo sa trabaho. I remember once our chief PNP says, pag masaya tayo sa pamilya bilang mga kapulisan, masaya din tayo sa serbisyo. At pag masaya tayo sa serbisyo, di ba napakagandang magtrabaho? Pag maganda ang trabaho, maganda ang peace and order, then our communities will flourish.
Now till forever, it's all of me, all of you. Just take my hand, and I'll be the man your dad hoped that I'd be, and we'll build this love from the ground up, for worse or for better, and I will be all you need. beside you I'll stand. Through the good and the bad, we'll give all that we have, and we'll build this love from the
Brothers and sisters,
ground.
magiging tanggulan at lakas mo ang iyong kasal sapagkat sa araw na ito hindi lang siya kapirasong papel, kundi isa siyang pagbabasbas na nanggagaling sa Diyos. Ilagay ang Diyos sa inyong gitna bilang mag-asawa. Manalangin, magdasal, even though in times of good and in bad, parati po natin siyang kasama.
Build this love from the ground up, now till forever. It's all of me, all of you. Just take my hand, and I'll be the man your dad hoped that I'd be. And we'll build this love from the ground up, for worse or for better. And I will be all you need. Beside you I'll stand. Through the good and the bad, we'll give all that we have, and we'll build this love from the ground up. Someday we'll wake up with thousands of pictures of 65 years in this little house. I won't trade for nothing the life that we built. I'll kiss you goodnight and say I love you still, and we'll build this love